Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, do we have an amazing video for you today? XRP climbs to 14% of global trading volume. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, we have all seen some crazy volatility in markets globally over the last 48 hours. And I'll tell you what, it is truly something to behold when you watch these numbers literally collapse and within 24 hours, they bounce back with that kind of fury. Guys, it is amazing. And I'll tell you what, XRP is no stranger to it. In fact, just check this article out right over here. Ripple's XRP climbs to 14% of global trading volume as U.S. demand rebounds to pre-SEC levels. Guys, it's as if the lawsuit had never happened. The amount of interest that is in XRP. Just listen to this right here. According to data from crypto analytics firm Kaiko, demand for Ripple's XRP has risen rapidly in U.S. markets. The rise in demand followed a major court judgment last year stating that XRP sales on the secondary trading platforms are not considered securities transactions. And we all know that that came out of Judge Annalisa Torres. And by the way, the SEC is not even appealing that issue right there. Big time deal. It is the only digital asset with legal clarity in the United States granted to it by a federal court. Unbelievable. Now, as a result, XRP's trading volume on U.S. exchanges has increased significantly, get this, from less than 2% to 14% of worldwide XRP traffic just in the last year. Wow. Now, here's the actual tweet right here. And this is Colin Brown where he's talking about XRP demand soars back to pre-lawsuit levels, according to Kaiko Analytics. And there we're seeing it right there. I mean, this is the drop right in December of 2020, right down here. This is when it happened. And look at the sideways action. Then all of a sudden, bam, bam. Are we ever seeing some major interest in XRP? Now, trading activity has increased to levels seen before the Securities and Exchange Commission. Litigation indicating regained confidence among U.S. traders. During the legal dispute, several major exchanges, of course, as we know, delisted XRP, limiting its trading, and the only one available in the U.S. was Uphold. However, with the recent relisting by significant platforms, of course, like Coinbase, Gemini, and all that, we have been seeing some major moves. Now, according to Kaiko's analysis, the price of XRP reached 35% in July, while Bitcoin gained 9%. Speculation about the SEC settlement fueled the surge, but the cancellation of SEC meeting on August the 1st caused a brief price drop. Now, XRP at the time of the writing is trading around that 49-cent range. Well, guys, we just literally saw the whole thing, smash down there in prices along with everything else. And boy, the bounce back, amazing. Now, they're saying representing an 18% drop over the last week, echoing more significant market trends. But guys, what have we been seeing globally across the entire spectrum of markets? Everything absolutely got hammered at one time. And yet, within just a short period of time, the whole thing turns around just that fast. Guys, this is why I'm always out there telling you, keep your eyes peeled in this space. Look, $2 billion of digital assets were liquidated just like that. And for Judy and I'll tell you what, we do not fool around with all these leverage trades. I know folks literally that had taken years to build up their position and then thought, you know what, I want to do it a little bit quicker. So what did they do? They went out there, they actually leveraged their position and put their assets on the exchange to do it. And in one move, all that time of accumulating was completely wiped out. Guys, you want to be as wise as serpents? harmless as doves. Now, just check this article out right over here. Ripple XRP about to explode. Pundit who ignored XRP for ages now foresees price flying soon. Listen to this right here. Ripple's native XRP is gaining renewed attention from prominent figures who had previously dismissed it. Now, notably, Scott Melker, also known as the Wolf of All Streets, we all watch this guy, we know who he is, recently broke his silence on XRP. Now, get this, forecasting significant potential for the coin. On Wednesday, Melker tweeted about XRP suggesting that the price was about to explode to almost $2 from where it is here. That's hundreds of percent just in a short week. Now, XRP Weekly have not looked at this chart in ages, but is in a really interesting spot here. Fourth touch of descending resistance here on the weekly. Rejection likely, but a breakout has this flying. Worth watching regardless of your feelings towards the token, wrote Melker. Now, notably, a successful breakout, the pundit suggests to 75 cents, 93 cents, $1.34, and ultimately $1.96 as potential price targets. And here's his chart where he's looking at it right here. Now, the renewed interest in XRP coincides with recent observations from other analysts who have traditionally overlooked these altcoins. For instance, Christopher Yazinski, known in the crypto community as MMM Crypto, and a prominent Bitcoin maxi, recently admitted, although he is not a fan of XRP, he has been closely monitoring the cryptocurrency. Guys, we have heard all kinds of these technical analysis folks coming out, looking back over the chart for XRP. And absolutely, the confluence is amazing when you hear these guys talk, because most of them aren't in all kinds of agreement like they are. And what are they saying? Hey, we're looking at something mirroring close to 2017. And should we get those breakouts and we see some of these initial moves to the $1 to the $2, then past the all-time high, guys, there's people out there, these TA guys literally saying we could see a monumental move in XRP when this space literally takes off. And I genuinely believe, guys, it's going to leave people totally gobsmacked. I mean, we were there when we watched XRP just tinker along, just like this. And all of a sudden, bam, it shot off. Now, think about this. Back in 2020 to 2021, that bull run, the SEC comes out December of 2020 and they drop this lawsuit on Ripple, who biggest utilizer of XRP. Price of XRP literally collapsed to 17.48 cents. Do you realize 4 months later it was $1.97? Now that was a 1,200% return on a freshly minted SEC lawsuit with all the uncertainty that went that, being delisted from every U.S. exchange save Uphold. Now you got legal clarity granted to XRP from the court themselves, and on top of that, relisted on a multiplicity of exchanges that had delisted and listed on a multiplicity of exchanges that didn't even have it listed. Do you think that XRP could bare minimum just do what it did back there in 2021? Guys, I think it's going to literally blow the doors off of what most people expect. Now, that's my personal opinion. Now, elsewhere, adding to the bullish sentiment is analyst Mickey Bull Crypto also highlighted XRP's potential. On August 1st, the analyst encouraged investors to consider XRP, emphasizing that it's not too late to join the wagon. Just like other experts anticipate that XRP is poised to break out from a bullish pennant pattern that has been forming over the last 6.5 years. Guys, when this thing pops, I think it's going to be literally amazing. Now, the analysts project that XRP's price could rise between $250 and $350 in the short term, with long-term targets potentially reaching $25 or higher, emphasizing that the chart is looking crazily primed to rip upward. And you're looking at it right there, guys. This is what happened back in 2017. It just tinkered along in this wedge right here, and then all of a sudden, just out of nowhere, when no one expected it, bam, 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 it just burst onto the scene. And that was a massive, massive move. Now look at, guys, does this not look familiar to what we've seen over here? Do you realize if we get a move like that, we are talking like double, if not triple digit XRP? I believe it's going to be totally mind-bending. Now, listen to this right here. XRP Whales returned with 26 million XRP in 24 hours. Now listen to this. XRP is witnessing intense trading activity as whales go bullish. Exactly what we were talking about over here with this massive surge in the global uptick in volume of trading for XRP. And you got these whales going out there. Now, do you think that these whales are dumping millions upon millions into XRP to accumulate are thinking short term like a lot of the folks in retail are made to think? Oh, well, let's just look at the daily price and these penny moves. Do you think that's why they're buying? Guys, come on. We know that they see what's coming down the road. Now, just listen to this. XRP has started to shed off its losses from the recent crypto crash. This price rebound is also getting support from whales, who have started a strong accumulation trend for the coin. The bearish sentiment appears to be fading away as XRP enters a more optimistic zone. Earlier today, the market witnessed rise in buying activity from XRP Whales. As per XRP Whale Alert, more than 26 million XRP coins were transferred from crypto exchange Binance to an unknown wallet. Now, the XRP transfer is worth around $13.62 million as per the current price of XRP. Whales typically buying crypto on prominent trading platforms like Binance and then transfer the asset to their private wallets to hold them for the long term, guys. You gotta think long term. What is coming down the road? Do not get shaken out just because of all this short-term volatility. We have been down this road before, and there's a multiplicity of factors that are at play when this stuff happens. But guys, when you look at the fundamentals and you see where the wide world is going with central bank digital currencies, digital IDs, you got Ripple out there working on the interoperability piece with the Bank of International Settlements. And what is the answer, guys? It's XRP, a bridge asset that is operating right now. In fact, on-demand liquidity partners around the wide world, like SBI over in Japan, billions of dollars a day in cross-border remittances. It is happening right now. Now, listen to this. In this case, XRP Whale has sent about 26 million XRP to their private wallet. It is a clear indication of whales holding these coins for the long term. Guys, when I take a look at this kind of stuff and considering what we have just gone through over the last few days, and you're watching people that had no interest in XRP before showing up to the party like crazy and saying, hey, you might want to pay attention. I'll tell you what, and you're watching 14% of global trading volume as U.S. demand rebounds. What does that do? All these fuzzers out there, oh, no one's interested in XRP. Oh, really? Well, it is taken off like crazy. Guys, don't miss it. You get out there and genuinely research it for yourself. But I'll tell you what, for Judy and I, like I say, we have got that ticket and we cannot wait to take this rocket ride right through the atmosphere. So guys, we have all seen just how fast things can change in this space. And that is why it is so vitally important that you get your plan in place before this next bull run absolutely takes off. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com and we'll get you all booked in. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.